Good afternoon, my dear viewers and perhaps my future subscribers. Today I'll show you the repair of the electronic unit of the 7-speed DSG7 Its other name is DL501. It is usually installed on the cars of the VAG group. The unit has a rather unusual malfunction, presumably caused by the ingress of antifreeze inside the transmission. The sign of this malfunction is error code P174E. Electrical malfunction of valve 3 in the transmission port 2. This code indicates a short circuit of the solenoid N439 of the valve 3 in the transmission port 2. First of all, let's exclude a breakage of the solenoids. To do this, we will measure their resistance. Then we will measure the resistance of all outputs from the electronic unit to the solenoids with the contact board connected to the electronic unit. The resistance of the output of the solenoids N439 is much lower than that of the others. We conclude that the malfunction is inside the electronic block of the DSG. We open the plug on the reverse side of the electronic block connector and see only conductive liquid in the corner of the connector. We can also see a deepening in the plastic between the two outermost pins, caused by melting of the plastic as a result of an electric arc. To clean the contacts, it is necessary to cut off part of the stub and restore the lines with copper wire. After restoration, connect the contact stub and measure the resistance of all outputs to the solenoids. After repair, connect diagnostic equipment to the unit and make a diagnosis of solenoid performance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, it motivates me to create new videos. Have a good day!